Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. Hi friends, my name is T.Dheeraj and today I will show you how to change your social media account with fancy font. So friends, let's get started. So firstly friends, first we install an app named Fancy Text Generator. Fancy sorry friends, text generator pro free. Open this app, press on start writing and then type your name here. T.Dheeraj, Reddy. See these friends, here are too many fonts. Copy your favorite font and then paste this font on your social media account. Edit profile and paste. Give some space and press on right button. See this friends, your name is now fancy. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. Thank you friends.